security became more alert after what happened to Stell at SB19 Taiwan busking. We can totally relate with fans getting excited and kilig, especially kung nasa harapan na natin ang ating mahalima. Pero reminder lamang, please be careful with them. In this video of SB19 busking in Taipei Main Station, makikita sa reaction ni Stell na nasaktan ito matapos na masobrahan sa pagpisil ang isang fan sa kanyang kamay. Now, we are not in any way bashing or hating this fan, pero sana mag-ingat po tayo palagi dahil once may nangyari na, hindi na may babalik ang oras. Anyway, after this ordeal, kapansin-pansin na mas naging mapagmatyag ang security. Our boys are so generous with their attention, talagang lumalapit sila sa mga fans, nakikipagkamay, picture, at minsan pa they would allow hugs. And that's because they trust us. Kaya sana wag nating sirain ang trust and confidence nila sa atin.